the local mall again, and I just wanted to show you all the really cool food which they are selling like on tables because of COVID, and so they can't open the restaurants and they can't open the little stalls in the food court either. So instead they have this. This is the
หรือว่าจะเอาก็มีเป็ดย่างนะแข็งแข็งคือจะเป็นฝาไว้ก่อนถ้าเอาเป็ดเลยก็มีน้ำเอาหรือจะทอดคั่วไก่นี่คือเต้าหู้ถึงสัตว์ขอค่ารับเป็ดให้ดีไหมคะ
like 60 baht 60 baht ไปเลี้ยงนางดูI got the noodles here and the rice, and you can order it here and then they go make it in the kitchen and they bring it right back. They even have Tim Hortons and a whole bunch of other things, drinks, noodles. And then the fruit. Look at all this dragon fruit. $30 baht ลูกละ35 บาท3โล100โลโลละ35 บาท3โล100 บาท It's a little bit crazy, right?